for the Digital Arts Peekskill Extension is one of the Hudson Valley's premier digital arts resources located in the Downtown Artist District of Peekskill. The center is an extension location of Westchester Community College and has 5 post-production studios at 27 North Division Street and is dedicated to fostering digital arts education. Our pre-college program this summer has been transformed into a STEAM, science, technology, engineering, art, mathematics, art technology curriculum. These courses are designed to encourage self-expression, collaboration, and innovation. This program was targeted at students from the ages of 7 to 17 with a curiosity and passion for arts and technology. In 3D animation, students were learning the fundamentals of 3D character design, and students were learning the mechanics of Maya, a 3D industry-grade software environment. These created characters were moving through the software and being recorded as a movie, but also going through production to a 3D printed object. So students were taking away a QuickTime movie animation and a 3D printed form. In Coding for Kids, students were able to write commands in the right sequence in order to communicate their instructions to others. Computer coding is what makes this possible and is a key 21st century competency for children today. In this program, we utilize Scratch to enable students to code stories, animation, and games, really focusing on those multimodal, multiple literacies that are imperative in an education program that's not just STEM, but STEAM.
I made the coding myself.
What does your game do?
When I added this, it made the raindrop talk. Water's important, and you need water to live. To drink, you need it. You have to take a shower. You need water to live.
In BioArt for Teens, students spent critical observational time with natural objects and multicellular matter to investigate forms on macro and micro scales. Students created botanical illustrations keeping in mind the work of John James Audubon, the Hudson River School painters, and anatomical painters such as Alex Gray. Students draw and paint while viewing slides through microscopes. In interactive 2D animation in architectural design, students were examining challenges in ecosystems now and in the future and extrapolating those designs while learning design tools. Students were outputting 2D animated walks with Flash and outputting a movie of their design to show how it would be inhabited and how those inhabitants would behave in the environment. In video mashups, young filmmakers created short composites of sampled images, sound, voiceovers, and chroma key footage that reflect today and envision tomorrow. Students mashed up or composited layers of images, text, and sounds that made new meaning to them. This provided students an opportunity to be digital visual DJ and expressed themselves through multimedia. Students used tools such as Final Cut Pro and GarageBand in green screen production. In digital drawing and painting, students learned the dexterity of using the stylus and tablet instead of pen and paper to create intricate texture maps for 3D objects, self-portraits, and compositing digital photography to create new cosmic vistas. Students did research using Hubble space photos, using digital microscopes to really examine from a macrocosmic and microscopic perspectives in the lab and studio environment. These tools were utilized to composite the various source materials into a digital collage and put them together into otherworldly vistas. In stop animation dioramas of artificial life, students imagined and researched artificial life and futuristic vistas from Google Earth and NASA websites to construct dioramas with traditional materials that were moved frame by frame in order to create a stop animation action. The animation studio was equipped with state-of-the-art animation tools, a green screen, and documentation cameras to create rich, otherworldly environments that produced animated shorts and digital photographic prints.
Alright, hello everyone. My name is Dylan DiBascelli, and this is a game that I created this summer, 2015. My main character is a ninja. I created my character in Photoshop. I kind of built the background off of him. I had a lot of help from a teacher, Mr. Volpe. He helped me in Photoshop learn how to use all the tools and imagine the characters and stuff like that.
In game design, students had to wear two hats, that of a computer programmer and an interface designer. So they were starting to learn the programming language to design their own games, but also using the software named Torque 2D and Photoshop, learning to develop characters and learning how to design their interfaces and using visual elements in order to create the look and feel of the games and the gameplay.
This game is just another variation of the game called Asteroids, which was made a long time ago, and I enjoyed making it. This class was very fun, and I enjoyed this game.
This STEAM program has been focused on engaging pre-college youth in arts technology integration and keeping the A in STEM, or the arts in STEM education. These students were interested in their work and how their work would develop into a portfolio piece that could help them apply that portfolio piece to further study in the arts and the sciences. These courses are designed to spark the imagination and cultivate critical thinking skills that will serve students well as they move forward in this millennium.